start with good morning, everyone. Now, the Institute it is celebrating the World Entrepreneurs Day, 21st August, and a week-long activities has been planned for the same. We started with a poster making competition on 21st of August, and today, in line with the same, we are organizing this panel discussion with the student entrepreneurs. So, with this, I welcome the guest speaker, Monica, Akshat Garg, and one more I'm waiting for Manan. Chirag was also there, but unfortunately, he is not able to join today because of some problem, because of some preoccupation. So, we have two more students with us who will be, the coordinating the entire discussion. He is Surbhit, and the other is Disha. They are students for mass communication. So Manan has also joined. Manan, welcome to this panel discussion. So before we really give this baton to the two coordinators, Disha and Surbhit, let me give a very brief, the motive or the objective of today's discussion and introduction of the various guests which are here. So we all know that who is an entrepreneur. If you speak about entrepreneur, he is an individual who creates new business, bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business or procedures. The entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability and desire to establish, administer, and succeed in a startup venture along with the risk entitled to it to make profits. If you talk about any entrepreneur, he is master of certain skills like business management skills, teamwork, communication skill, financial skill, analytical and problem solving skills, critical thinking, strategic thinking, planning skills. So there are so many skills which they are master, and therefore they become a successful entrepreneur. If you talk about entrepreneur, they start a business for a variety of reasons, and ultimately, successful business survive by meeting customer needs. Entrepreneurs have an important role in all business activity. They take initiatives, are innovative, identify opportunities, and organize resources to develop a successful business. Entrepreneurs play a vital role in economic development. Entrepreneurs serve as the catalyst in the process of industrialization and economic growth. Government of India has also realized this, therefore huge impetus is given to promote entrepreneurial attitude in the students. A discussion with the successful entrepreneurs, especially from the campus, will definitely guide all those who wish to become a successful entrepreneur. Therefore, we decided to call few of the campus entrepreneurs to share their experience, thinking that all those who are present here can relate to various viewpoints of the speakers as they almost belong to same generation, and at the same time it will instill a feeling of self-confidence in all the attendees that if my friend can do it, I can also work on my plan. So this was the objective of organizing this particular panel discussion. And if you talk about the students who are there as a student entrepreneur, we have Miss Molika Rana. She has just graduated from this college. She was a student of Bachelor's in Journalism and Mass Communication. She has started a home bakery called Mauritius, and wherein she cooks. She makes beautiful cakes, delicious cakes, and bakes stuff to other people to make them happy. So she has started this venture some 3 years ago, and now she is a known brand when it comes to bake stuff. Welcome Monica here in the session. We have second speaker is Manan Talreja. He has joined his family business. The name of the company is MM Impex, and he has planned and he has already done some significant contribution, a new contribution, positive changes in his family business to achieve certain success. And last but not least, we have Akshat Garg. His company name is 4D Akshat, and currently he is handling marketing of four brands and around 15 food outlets located in Delhi and Ghaziabad, like Shagun Sweets, Yellow Bowl, Poha Point, Tandoori Cooker, and these are the few names of the brand which he is working on. Apart from this, he has a YouTube, Instagram, and Zomato handle experience also, and he has some four team members along with him. And if you talk about Akshat, I will just give you very brief information. Rest he will be speaking about himself. That he was awarded for first position in some business plan competition in the campus. So this is the brief introduction of the three speakers of today's. Now, with this, now I would like to invite Disha and Surbhit, who are the coordinators for today's discussion. And from these are again students from the mass communication background here in the campus. And now, why I have specifically chosen these students for the coordinator to make them again feel confident and sure that yes, they can do something even if they are, I mean, they can relate to the speaker, they can relate to the attendees as well. So with this, I welcome Surbhit and Disha also here in this discussion. And now they are going to take the charge of this today's process. So Disha and Surbhit, please welcome. And now please, I'm handing over this button to you now. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Disha Chaturvedi and my co-anchor Surbit Sharma. Welcome you all once again to this panel discussion. So, good morning, everyone. We are talking about entrepreneurship here, and everyone wants to be associated with that word. But do we really understand what it means to be entrepreneur? Before I ask my panelist, is there anyone who has an answer to that? Please raise your hand. Is there anyone who has an answer to that? What it means to be entrepreneur? Oh, okay, not a issue. Surbit, would you like to share your opinion on this?
Yeah, I just want to say that, guys, this is not just a session, it's like a discussion. So you can interact with us. It would be a great session then.
Yeah, exactly.
First of all, actually, I want to ask a question from Malika that although I know everything about Mauritius, but still I want to ask that, Malika, can you brief us about your organization a little bit?
Okay, so hi Sudhit and hi everybody present here. I am Molika and I am running a business of home bakery since the last 2 years. And I started Mauritius as a food blog 3 years ago when my graduation, like BGMC started. And with it, I started this just as a fancy blog page. And it just became a business. It was not expected. I was not making it a business, but it did. So we make cakes, brownies, and everything, baked according to the customer's choice, the flavors, the design, and we try to do it customized. So that's what is all about Mauritius. We try to put in all our efforts, and we do make hampers and everything. So that's all about Mauritius, and Baki to everybody knows.
Yeah, everybody knows. But Malika, let me ask you one thing. That was it an easy journey for you to come, मतलब यहाँ से वहाँ तक इतनी जल्दी पहुँच
So,
पाना?
Survit, I think first of all, the journey has just started. It is just the beginning, I think. And so
Okay,
the journey, as of now, it is of course not easy because it looks like मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि how a business has to be handled. I was always against doing a business when I was young. So
okay.
but it just came out to be like this. So it's obviously not easy. It has a lot of other things that have to be handled. The finances have to be measured. You have to be registered somewhere, and you have to take care of the hygiene. Everything has to be taken care of. Not only the design and the flavor. It's not only about a cake. It's about a lot more things that we cannot see, as a third person. So it's not easy, but it's fun. So I think it makes me
Yeah. Thank you
easy
so
to do.
much, Malika. That's so great. Now, before I let my panelists introduce themselves, I want to ask them what entrepreneurship for them. Who is an entrepreneur? Like, let's start with Akshat Garg. अक्षित गर्ग, कैन यू हेयर मी? सुन सकते हैं आप मुझे?
हाँ,
या
एक्चुअली एंटरप्रेन्योर जो ये वर्ड है ये सिंपल नहीं है एंटरप्रेन्योर। जो बेसिकली एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, ये एक काफ़ी वाइड कंसेप्ट है। इसमें आना आसान है, बट इसमें सरवाइव करना काफ़ी मुश्किल है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में। अपने केस ले लेता हूँ मैं, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मैंने अपने एक ब्रांड स्टार्ट करा है, फूडी अक्षर। तो मुझे अराउंड 2 इयर्स हो चुके हैं अपने ब्रांड को स्टार्ट करे हुए। एंड सबसे पहले मैंने
Okay.
स्टार्ट करा था अपना ब्लॉगिंग पेज स्टार्ट करा था इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब। देन
Yeah.
आफ्टर दैट आउटलेट्स खुद ही मुझे कांटेक्ट कर रहे थे कि आप हमारे पास आइए, हमारा कवर करिए आउटलेट। अराउंड मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे 8500 फॉलोअर्स है एंड यूट्यूब पे 500 है अराउंड। बट फॉलोअर्स मैटर नहीं करते, मैटर करती है आपकी स्किल।
Yeah, exactly.
बिकॉज जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको कि अभी मैं पीआरशिप हैंडल कर रहा हूँ अराउंड 15 4 आउटलेट्स एंड 15 ब्रांच है। तो ये आउटलेट ईजी नहीं होता कैप्चर करना, क्योंकि आउटलेट्स अप्रोच करना, देन आउटलेट टेकअप करना। बिकॉज मार्केटिंग एक ये नहीं है बेसिकली कि आपको उस आउटलेट को ग्रोथ कराना है, उस आउटलेट की डीप नॉलेज होनी चाहिए आपको। एंड ऐसी इनसाइडर इन्फॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए कि आउटलेट को आप कैसे पुश कर सकते हैं। बिकॉज आजकल
Yeah, Akshit, that's great. Thank you so much. Now let's come to Manan Talreja. Manan Talreja, would you like to share something about this? Your opinions? What entrepreneurship, like who is an entrepreneur for you?
For me, like it's entrepreneur is like a lot of responsibilities. Like you have a lot of responsibilities on your head. आपके साथ आप सिर्फ अकेले नहीं चल रहे हो, आपके साथ कम से कम 10 जने हैं जिनको आप संभाल रहे हो, जिनका
Yeah.
आप पेट पाल रहे हो. It's like that. तो you have to be like कि आप जो सरवाइव कर रहे हो साथ में आपको उनको भी सरवाइव कराना है. डोंट हैव टू बी लाइक कि सिर्फ मेरा सर्वाइवल जरूरी है, उनका भी जरूरी है. इट्स लाइक दैट.
Yeah,
एंटरप्रेन्योर
Manan.
इज नॉट लाइक एक सिंगल एंटिटी. मेरे हिसाब से पर्सनली एक सिंगल एंटिटी नहीं होती. आपके साथ 10 और है. यू आर अ लीडर ऑफ दैट 10 और जनों का, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर अलोन.
Exactly, Manan. So, as you said, when it comes to entrepreneurship, we have multiple stakeholders and players, right? And we need people to build to make your ideas a success. So, people are the most important aspect of entrepreneurship. Like some people support you, whereas some people become the reasons of your failure. So, choosing the right ones to execute your ideas is very important, according to you, right, Manan? So how do you choose your people? Like, would you like to share something?
Basically it's not like that I have to choose people. I have to basically choose ideas. It's like that.
Okay.
Ideas there I have to be the leader. I am not the boss. Basically I am a leader. I personally feel like that because I am not the one ki काम कराओ. I am like काम करता हूँ मैं उनके साथ. If a labor is working with me, I work with that labor. I'm not that person जो ऑफिस में बैठकर एसी में बैठकर अपना लैपटॉप पर काम कर रहा हूँ. I am that person who works like day and night. It's been past 2 days since I have slept. I haven't slept since past 2 days अभी तक, and I'm still out. I'm going to my work. So it's like
We can see कि आप अभी भी कार में हो, मनन, right? आप कहीं जा
yeah,
रहे हो?
yeah, yeah. So it's
And
like
Manan, I have a question for you, bro.
yeah,
That
sure.
some people think that having a family business makes your journey a little easier. So I know it's not true, but still,
No,
can
it's
you
true.
do you want to?
It's true. It's true. It's totally true. Like yeah, see, देख, what's your name? मेरे को दिखा नहीं. सुरभित, right? देखो
Yes,
ऐसा
yes,
नहीं
yes.
होता कि फैमिली बिजनेस है तो तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किलें बढ़ गई या कुछ. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मतलब या आपको एक बेस मिल गया ना. You have a start. Basically, you are not a startup. You have already started. आपकी फैमिली ने स्टार्ट कर दिया. Now it's up to you. तो आप उस लेवल उस बिजनेस को किस लेवल पर लेकर जाते हो. That's your मेहनत. वहां पर मेहनत होती है. हाँ, एक शुरुआत की जो मेहनत होती है दैट इज अ रिलीफ फॉर यू. कि हाँ आपको ये बेस सेटअप नहीं करना. यू हैव एवरीथिंग कि आपके पास एक मार्केट सेटअप है ऑलरेडी. बट या उस
Hmm.
मार्केट को बढ़ाना दैट्स ऑन यू. वो मार्केट आपके पास
Okay,
ऑलरेडी है जो चल रही है.
but was the moment ki when you realized कि I have to join this business?
It wasn't like a moment. See, I am a 5-year dropout. To be honest, I have joined this college after like 4 साल का dropout around. कि मेरे को एक डिग्री चाहिए थे. घर वालों ने बोला एक डिग्री चाहिए चाहिए. तो आई थॉट कि चलो ठीक है डिग्री ले लेते. सिंस देन मैं 2015 में पास आउट हुआ हूँ 12th से। उसके बाद से आई वेंट टू कॉलेज, आई डिडंट फील लाइक कि आई शुड स्टडी। फिर उसके बाद बस कि धीरे धीरे आई लेट माई सेल्फ, मतलब खाली बैठना नहीं था किसी भी खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है, तो खाली बैठना नहीं था, तो आई जॉइन माई फैमिली बिजनेस। ठीक है, तो फिर उसके बाद आई एम जस्ट अभी तक उसी में ही हूँ।
Okay, Disha, you can ask your question now. Disha?
I must interfere यार, एक क्वेश्चन मनन मेरी तरफ से आपके लिए। आई एम डॉक्टर निवेदिता। तो आपने as you said that it is something that you joined your family business. It was obvious choice for you to join your family business because you wanted to join it. But as
Actually, I wanted to do photography.
okay, your interest was in photography, right. So how when you joined here, I mean your family business, क्या आपने कोई प्लानिंग की थी कि मैं इसको कर, या ज्वाइन करने के बाद आपको एहसास हुआ कि इसमें ये मुझे ये चेंज करना होगा, इसमें ये मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो मेरा फैमिली बिजनेस और अच्छा हो जाएगा, कुछ ऐसा दिमाग में आया, देन यू स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट?
Obviously ma'am, when you get into something ना, तो उसके बाद you obviously you try your best to make best out of that business.
राइट
तो आप किसी चीज को ज्वाइन
Absolutely.
करोगे तो आप उस चीज को बेस्ट करने की कोशिश करोगे, आप उसको वर्स्ट नहीं करोगे। ऑब्वियसली आई ट्राइड माय बेस्ट कि मैं जैसे अब वी यूज्ड टू डू ट्रेडिंग। बेसिकली क्या था हमारा, वी इंपोर्ट स्टफ फ्रॉम चाइना, वी बाय स्टफ फ्रॉम चाइना, वी ब्रिंग इट हियर, वी सेल स्टफ, दैट्स इट, that was my dad used to do. Now I bring that stuff, I manufacture it here into a final product and then I sell it. So it's like I improved, मतलब एक स्टेप जो बीच का एक पार्ट था मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, जो लोग इधर करते थे, I just kept that I am directly the manufacturer, I am directly the importer, I am directly everything जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में पहुंचाता है।
Okay.
Now I'm working on my marketing. Basically I'm trying to reach to every city possible जहाँ पर मैं अपना प्रोडक्ट से सेल कर सकूँ, डायरेक्टली मैं अपने होलसेलर्स को दे सकूँ। I don't want in middlemen बीच में।
Great. That also reduces some sort of pressure on the customer as well, because if there is a man, then they are supposed to pay some sort of money for that middleman as well. So ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन भी बढ़ गया और एट द सेम टाइम आपने अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग किया। So next, I mean Disha.
We can see that like you all are successful entrepreneurs, so I just want to know like your greatest strength which help you to become successful entrepreneur. This question is for you all.
My dear brother, I'm still not successful. I have
You're
a lot.
Agreed.
but successful ke path pe to ho,
Same
but
here.
one day
Yeah.
you will be
It's
successful.
not about
Monica?
being. Yeah, exactly. It's not. Yeah, I was saying, Disha, that it's not about being successful overall. It's being successful on your plans, right? So, for example, I had a plan of doing Rakhi hampers, and I became successful in doing that. So that's about
Yes.
success. So this success, I think the greatest strength, which is in me and should be in everybody else, is a belief in yourself. I think if you do not believe in yourself, if you do not believe it that you can do it, then nobody can help you do it. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कर सकते हो और आप कर लोगे, then I think everybody and anybody can do anything that they want to.
Yeah, thank you so much, Monica. And let's come to Akshat. Would you like to share something? Like, what is your greatest strength?
स्ट्रेंथ बेसिकली ये है कि कुछ ऐसा अचीव करना जो और कोई ना कर पाए।
Yeah, that's nice of
I mean,
you.
Disha, I mean, कहना चाह रहे हैं he wants to be an innovative entrepreneur. जो किसी ने नहीं किया
Yeah,
वो करना
innovative
चाहते
and creative entrepreneur he wants to be.
इनोवेटिव न्यू
And
थिंग्स, मतलब न्यू आइडियाज।
And Monica and Manan, I'm absolutely in sync with your view that the hunger to become a successful entrepreneur, it should always be burning inside you. You should never be satisfied whatever you have achieved. To you, yes, you may say that yes, I am not a successful, but for us, you are a successful entrepreneur. So that's it
Yeah,
for
ma'am,
what
it's
I
truly
observed.
Yes, ma'am. Because of this, na, I have a question for all of them. That what attracted you to become an entrepreneur? Was it all about the money, or is it something beyond that?
Uh, Destiny.
Passion.
Cool. And Malika?
Yeah, destiny though of course is there, but I think it was मतलब it was not said कि मुझे आगे business ही करना है. What happened is was that Surbit, you know, you were there when we started as
Mm-hmm.
a business. उससे पहले I was not doing business. So suddenly one day a college faculty asked me कि cake, can you make a cake for me and I'll pay you for that. So that was one day 2 years ago, and then it just started कि हाँ चलो कर ही लेते हैं, अब लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा तो कर लेंगे. So that is how it started as that's how my business thing started.
okay. One question from my side now. Like, guys, what difficulty you faced and how you overcome them? जब ये जर्नी चल रही है आपकी to being successful, to being an entrepreneur. So I would like to know कि what difficulty you faced, how you overcame that.
So I think Disha, difficulties so are there at every step, and first difficulty is I think as an entrepreneur, as a startup, the first difficulty is gathering audience and bringing people, attracting people towards your brand, towards your um, whatever product you are selling. So first difficulty is that. Second is I think I am from a non-business background. I don't My father is not a businessman. My any uncle aunt is not a business family. So I have no knowledge about business. I have no knowledge about finances, how it has to be handled, what all should be taken care of. So I think all of these things sometimes now also become a difficulty for me. But then we overcome it. I talk to people, my friends who are from the business background, from the same bakery background. So we talk to them and we sort it out. That's how you just learn with growth.
Okay, Monica, that's nice. But I think आप काफी आगे बढ़ चुके हैं अपनी इस जर्नी में. So अभी भी ऐसी कोई difficulties हैं जिनको face करने में आपको अभी भी बहुत problems होती हैं, उनका कोई solution नहीं मिलता है.
ऐसी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. मुझे एक सेकंड दो, मैं एक सेकंड में आती हूँ.
Akshat, can you please tell us?
जैसे स्टार्टिंग में व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय पेज, सो स्टार्टिंग में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. पेरेंट्स का भी होता है कि पेरेंट्स ने तो सपोर्ट करा था, बट कई फ्रेंड्स होते कहते हैं क्यों स्टार्ट कर रहा है, कि वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है, अपना किसी और चीज़ में ध्यान दो. बट ये एज अ पैशन और एज अ हॉबी, जब एक बार एक स्टेप लिया है तो उसमें अचीव करना मेरे लिए था कि उसमें अचीव करूँ कुछ ना कुछ. और धीरे धीरे अपना फ्रेंड्स भी आते रहे उसमें एज अ पार्टनर की तरह और गाइड करते रहे कि ऐसा ऐसा कर सकते हैं. सो काफ़ी डिफिकल्टीज आई बीच बीच में, बट ओवरकम कर लिया हमारी टीम ने मिलकर. सो अब काफ़ी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हम गैदर कर चुके हैं और आई विश कि इस ईयर एंड तक 50+ आउटलेट का टारगेट है हमारा कि अचीव हो जाए एक बार.
That's so great. Team spirit is very necessary. So Surbit, would you like to ask anything?
Yes, Disha, I want to ask a question for Akshat. That Akshat, there's a procedure, there's a journey that you have an idea, you make a plan, you execute that, and you achieve the result. But if a person who have an idea but he's scared to execute that, so what
एक्चुअली
would
क्या
you
होता
say to him?
है, एक्चुअली क्या होता है, स्टार्टिंग में बताता हूँ. डेली सबके माइंड में होता है कि मतलब एक थॉट प्रोसेस होता है कि हमें ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, मतलब या कोई ऐसा इंटेंशन आई है कि हमें स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. बट हर कोई उसमें सब चीज़ सोच लेता है, पहले से ही प्री प्लान कर लेता है कि हम यही करेंगे, बट एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करता. वो मेन प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया में. अगर हम एग्जीक्यूट कर ले, हर कोई फेलियर की तरफ देखता है, बट फेलियर भी हमें देखना चाहिए. बट ये है कि आपने कुछ प्लान करा है तो उसको एग्जीक्यूट जरूर करो. फेल हो गए बात अलग है, बट बिना एग्जीक्यूशन के आप पहले ही सोच लो कि फेल हो गए, तो वो रॉन्ग थिंग है। तो बेसिकली एग्जीक्यूशन इज मस्ट। एग्जीक्यूट करो, प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी उसको फेस करो, और एक ज़िंदगी है, इसमें अगर सब चीज़ें आप ये सोच लो पहले से कि फेल होना है तो फेल ही हो गए, और ये सोच लो कि पहले बिजनेस सक्सेस कर जाए तो वो भी हो सकता है, जैसे मेरे साथ हुआ।
Okay,
तो
Akshay.
बेसिकली एग्जीक्यूशन जरूरी है, जो एक वर्ड में अगर कहना जाए, एग्जीक्यूशन इज मस्ट।
Okay,
All
okay.
right.
Thank you. So, Manan, was it easy for you to convince the family members about the changes which you wish to bring in the company? Was it easy for you to convince the family members? Manan, can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry, microphone off था. I was saying कि yeah, it's definitely difficult to pitch your ideas to your boss. That is your dad.
Yeah,
कि आपको समझाना है, exactly उनको समझाना. He is like मतलब हर किसी का
head of
एक,
the family.
yeah, we are talking about family. तो family का क्या सीन होता है?
Yeah,
ये चलती लाइन तो इसी पर चलना है तुमने. इससे इधर हो गए तो गलत हो, इससे इधर हो गए तो गलत हो. तो you have to be like कि आपको उनको ये समझाना नहीं, ये भी सही जगह है. तो दैट इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट फॉर यू. ठीक है, आपके पास सब कुछ है, बैकअप है, सब कुछ है, बट स्टिल इट्स द डिफिकल्ट पार्ट कि आपको अपने डैड को समझाना, अपना आइडिया पिच करना कि वो माने उस चीज पर, एंड देन ही अप्रूव दैट,
very
एंड
true.
देन उसके बाद वो अप्लाई करे वो चीज. तो या इट्स डिफिकल्ट ऑब्वियसली.
Maulika and Akshat, you also feel the same. It is very difficult to convince your boss, means your father, dad.
सेम डिफिकल्टी मेरे साथ भी आती है कि फादर सेड कि यू कैन रन माय फादर बिजनेस, क्योंकि
Akshat, your voice is so low. Actually, I can't hear you properly.
See, our parents, I feel our parents, they welcome new ideas, but they don't like to entertain something new. They want जो चल रहा है वैसे ही चलने दो. They don't want any sort of changes in their life. बहुत अच्छी चल रही है जिंदगी, क्या करना करके.
तो कैसे मैनेज किया मनन? कुछ चेंजेस लाए आप अपनी इस कंपनी में, इस जर्नी में? कुछ टिप्स देना चाहोगे आप हमें कि कैसे आपने कन्विंस किया अपने फादर को?
वो बस मैं खुद नहीं पता मेरे को कैसे हो गए. बहुत it's like it took me around 2 साल.
Oh my God, long time.
या कि कर लेते हैं, and then he said चल देख ले एक बार करके, ऐसा वाला सीन.
अक्षत, आपके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ?
Small interruption. Disha, small interruption. Who is Dr. Prashant here? Who has raised his hand? Who is the Dr. Prashant?
Yeah, myself here. I'm a faculty here.
Okay, okay. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Anything you wish to speak,
No,
sir?
first of all, heads of all. Yeah. I just little this thing. First of all, heads of all the eligible entrepreneurs who are a part of panel of discussion. Okay, a really great idea. Then I just wanted, to ask all the budding entrepreneurs one simple question: where do you find yourself in the next 5 years? One. The second thing, I think what Manan said, it was a very fantastic thing, ideology, where he said you cannot sit in the AC and do business. मैं तो businessman हो गया, चलो AC में बैठेंगे, order छोड़ेंगे. You cannot, because when you have an idea, that innovativeness of ideas should be implemented, and to implement that, you should know how to manage it. Manage not just the labor, manage not just the finance. So to manage from all the directions. And I think these budding entrepreneurs are just started. You people have just started. It's a very fantastic approach. Lots of hiccups will be there, internal as well as external. But then, if you sit, relax, things will not happen. Just one example I will give you. The Indian software industry started picking up in the 2010-9, but then it little bit halted. And what happened in the competitiveness of software industry? China won the race, and India lagged behind because China started investing a lot in HR, in terms of improving the HR quality and all. But India said, "चल रहा है, चलने दो, थोड़ा कुछ invest कर लेंगे." So that attitude needs to be changed. As entrepreneurs, you have to be very, very innovative, and this innovativeness should be dynamic one. It cannot be static. Your ideas should keep on coming, and ideas in practical ideas, proactive ideas. So a very simple thing I just wanted to ask these entrepreneurs, like where you find yourself in the next 5 years, and are you ready for that, or are you just getting ready for it? That's all. Okay, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for this
Thank you so
valuable
much, sir.
advice. And
Sir,
please,
actually, I want to ask a question to sir. That sir, can you explain us about a little bit that what is the dynamic innovation and the static innovation?
Sure. Yeah, dynamism means whatever you are now. Like one of you has started with the Raki, right? Raki thing. Now, in a matter of
Yes.
time, this Raki structure, what she has made, will be copied by others. So there will be substitutes of it, and then she may stand a chance to lose the market, right? So unless and until you innovate in that whatever product and service you are selling, you cannot sit with the same idea. Like for example, someone said, I am running my father's business, and one of the students pointed out, you got a base. Nobody gets the base. Nobody gets the base here. It's your idea, monetary, yes, but your idea has to be successful. You have to work for it. And suppose if I start a business of selling candles, scented candles, why should people purchase from me? Okay, I innovated an idea. I brought out the candles, uh, which gives messages. The moment it sparks, the messages also come. Okay, suppose if I innovate idea, but if I sit with that idea and thinking that I will win the market, it will not be possible, because within a matter of months, my market will be captured by the other substitute product. So dynamism, I mean to say, you have to be very, very active and proactive in your ideas. Once, yes, you got the market, now you have to capture the market. Very important. And very important thing is what? Capturing is not possible when you confine yourself to one market. You have to diversify. And diversification possible only when you start capturing in such a way that not only market, but also in terms of range of products. You might have studied this product line and all. You know why these big businessmen are successful? Because loss somewhere, they make it good elsewhere. Because they don't bear that. But being an entrepreneur who has just started, I will advise all of you to be very, very dynamic, very, very innovative. Be like in the share market. If I want to earn in the share market, I cannot relax. I have to understand the company's portfolio, everything. I cannot relax. I have to sit with it 24 hours. So your business ideas, whatever you started, is really great. But from here, I think you have to carry forward. Be very active and proactive. Got it? Right? Be very active and proactive. That is the thing what I wanted to tell you. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah.
No, thank you
Anybody?
so
Any?
much, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Well, welcome.
All right, though. I have a question for Manan now. That Manan, what are the changes you have faced after and before and after joining this business?
You become more mature, I would say. मतलब it's about time जब आप
एक छोटा सा इंटरप्शन, सो सॉरी, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन के बीच में रोक रही हूँ. डॉक्टर प्रशांत, कैन यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, फ्रॉम व्हिच कॉलेज यू आर, सर? आई एम नॉट नोइंग अबाउट यू, सर. I just request that you.
Yeah. No, actually, I was already joined the Technia Institute. I was there as a visiting faculty for the evening batch. From today itself, I have been shifted to the morning batch. So
Fine, sir. Fine.
okay, yeah. So I'll be taking Indian economy.
Oh, great, sir. Great, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
Which
thank you.
department is management?
Yeah, BBA department.
BB. Okay. Fine, fine, sir. Welcome,
Yeah.
sir. Welcome. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
And I
you.
think Manan, just give me Manan, Malika, and Akshat, just give me one more minute. Disha, please pardon me. I think our director sir has joined this meeting. Director sir, are you there? Hello. Director.
Yeah, I am there.
Okay, please, sir. So, sir, huge welcome here in this panel discussion. Students, attendees, guests, and the coordinators. and Dr. Prashant and other faculty members. Director sir has just joined this discussion, and he is always the source of inspiration. He's always one who motivates us for everything what we are doing in this college. And even students will appreciate the motivation which they have got from the director sir. So, sir, a huge welcome here. And now I just want you to come up and speak few words. We have Akshat, Maulika, and Manan as a panel member for today's discussion. We are student entrepreneurs of the campus. Yes, sir, please, sir.
First of all, I would like to congratulate your team efforts in this directions of making this event successful, which has been given as per the mandate of meeting as per the mandate of WED, which is given by Ministry of Innovation Council, Ministry of Education, and the Ministry of Education. And this whole week we are going to go in for various gamut of operations. WED World Environment Day, day from 21st of August onwards. And I feel that Technia has done a great leap as far as the development of the entrepreneurs are concerned in this area. Madam, this kind of event, I mean, heartiest to know that Akshat Garg and Manan Talreja and Maulika Rana, I think so she is a new person over here in this field, and she has been doing a marvelous job. But I feel that, madam, on a given note, you have to make incubators and help these startups to give a support where they can be able to meet with the right kind of industrial expert on these areas. Say, for example, Akshat Garg is Akshat. Is a foodie. You're
Yes, sir.
from the items of the eatables.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, marketing. We handle.
Marketing. Okay. And Manan, what's yours in some plastics or polymers?
Components basically LED lights के अंदर जो LED beads होते हैं that जो light देते हैं basically that
Okay. Light emitting diodes, LED.
Yeah.
Light emitting diodes. You working on that part? Okay. Cool. And Maulika, what is your line of action?
Sir, it's a bakery. Filhal it's
Okay,
a home
bakery. Bakery is again a foodie, means food items are there, and all these status is different. All these areas are different. Say, for example, if you talk about the Maulik's case, so she has to comply with various norms of FSSI. FSSI that has been changed for further than that, and HAZUP has also been there. So it's the highest epitome of you can say benchmark as far as the eatables are concerned in the industry. So how you can be able to gauge up to reach that level, and how much potential you have to make up that, how much consumption can be increased, and how much backup support you require for production, and plus the one point in which we have to survive. Survival is going to be a first and the foremost thing, and each day is there going to fight. Each day is a fight for survival as far as this startups are concerned. Till the time your tree is mature enough to be grown up and a big, and you can go in for diversification. So you have to work on with the unique selling propositions. You have to work on with the USPs, identify your USPs, work on it, and try that your competitors can never be able to reach your USP. This is to be seen first. You have to make your USP, work on with USP and improve your USP. This is what the US has been doing. All the arms and ammunition which the US has been doing, old, they used to sell it to the developing countries and bring in the new one to test their further features and sharpening their edges. So first and foremost thing, you always have to look on with the new technology. And there is a concept of constructive destruction. I'm giving you this concept of constructive destruction. When I say constructive destruction, means new technology every time, every second, the new technology emerge, which is going to swipe your work, whole gamut of operations. If you look toward the cassette industry is swept by the CDs, and CDs is further swept by the DVDs. Now it's online. Even the pen drives are obsolete. So things has moved in these directions. The generic term remained the same, but the operational work changed drastically, and economies of the efforts and time. and money. Three things: economies of effort. Your efforts must be low, your consumption would be high, and your involvement and investment should also be low. So efforts, time, and money should be low on investment side, and work on with your targets where you can be able to gauge up. Your margin should be on higher side. This is how you have to work on. Make the financial very strong. If you don't be able to manage your financials some way or the other, you are going to lose your sheen as far as things are concerned. So financial should be the topmost priority. Second one is the morale. You should not be bust down your morale that I'm been, not been able to do up, and innovate. These three things are the best part. You have to make it a habit. It's going to become your habit if you have to work on with these things. And fourth thing is build your brand, invest in your brand, your logo. If you're coming on this over here on the screen now, you must don your logo. You must don your logo on your badge, on your chest. The logo is required. That's very important. You have to promote your logo. The investment, if you do that investment from day one, so in brand, due to brand equity, you will find that it is going to create a new kind of entity, and which is going to be a force of reckon in time to come. So market that trading, and the logo is very, very important, and give it's a color and a scheme, just like Coke and the Pepsi used to do, blue and red. Pepsi, Coke, red. What kind of fonts you're going to use? That's very, very important. Makes your presence felt on the social media. What you do, that's very important. Your all dam of operations should be, and your website and your web presence, digitalize your concept. Very important. If you could not be able to survive a digitalized system, think that how the Flipkart gone from where, and within make up a framework that 5 year down the line, I should be able to hit 5 crores. Should be the target. This should be the target. Start up with this, and how best you can reach this target within 6 months, 10 months, 1 year. Should make it as a reverse clock and work against the time. Work against the time. This is very important. This is going to give you a sense of purpose, and bring in the right kind of team with you, right people with you, who will be support and share your image, share your vision with them, so that the person who are joining you should act and take up your vision as a mission. You have to take a vision. As a visionary, you are making a startup, but your client and your staff members should take your vision as their mission. If you have got the right building blocks, those who can be your structure, your organizational structure, go with the professional organizational structure. Give them the proper respect and everything. Give them the feeling of high, and they will join, because you never know the innovation come from which side. It can come from sometimes from a peon also, sometimes from a certain person sitting next to you, and you never know innovation comes from where. You have to open up. You have to open up. No other way out. Just try to bring in ideas. Talk and listen. This is going to make, and you reserve this 5 to 10% of your time for your further growth. That's very important. I think so. I have made my point very clear to you. And Dr. Nivedita, I feel that you try to bring in other people as well, those who are doing fine job. As far as then we are going to make it a series of our entrepreneurs over here who would be doing a great job, and we will be putting that your work with the Ministry of Innovation Council over there, and we will project you over there in the ministry, and hope that new milestones will be you will be able to reach new milestones time to come. My good wishes and best wishes to all of you. You're doing a very great job, and I simply love you all. Love you, students. You have made us proud. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much, sir, for your again inspiring and motivating words. Whatever I will speak about your words here, that will always fall short of words. So thank you so much, and we are thankful to you, sir, because I know that you are quite busy and you have taken just some time off from your busy schedule to just address to the budding entrepreneurs of the campus. So thank you so much, sir. With this, now I would
मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रास्ता पता होगा आपको? हाँ
By the time they are coming, let me ask
यार ये बताओ, इसके लॉक के बिना भी ये
question to
इतना अच्छा हुआ है कि
Monica.
मैंने कल नोएडा वोएडा गया, गड्ढे वड्ढे में गई तो ये निकला नहीं।
Manav Gupta, please mute your mic, beta. Yes.
निकल जाएगा खट्टो खट्टो।
Manav, please mute yourself, beta.
हाँ
We can hear you that you are scolding someone. Manav,
बाल्टी लगा रखी है ना, बाल्टी लगा रखी है जिसमें।
ये अपना mic वो करे.
बाल्टी
Okay, Monica. Monica, Manan, and Akshat, just one question.
मेरे को मेरा बाल्टी लगाने का।
You know, being a start your own business or adding something to your family business, it requires lots of courage, lots of planning, and then lots of real execution of your planning. So, as you have said that somewhere you find difficulty as well, and you have overcome all those problems. But if I ask you to give few 1, 2, 3 liners to the all those who wish to have their startup or who are willing to have their own venture, if I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4 lines which you speak as a suggestion or advice to them, so can we start with Monica? Because
Sure,
it is
ma'am.
always the ladies first.
So, ma'am, first advice that I also said before was to have a very strong belief in yourself that whatever you're going to do, you're going to succeed if you have, enough belief in yourself. And even if you're not going to succeed, at least you're going to learn something out of it. So that's number one. Number two is that planning is important, but going with the flow is more important. I think if I am here, I'm doing a business, that is because I went with the flow and I did not think ki, matlab, I think it should be both things in hand. Planning also has to be done, and going with the flow also has to be taken care of. These are two things. And third is I think having enough knowledge and gaining knowledge with your growth about your work, about your competition, and people who are working with you, people who are working against you. So all of these things should be, taken care of and known to you at least. These are the three things that I think are very important.
Very great. It is coming from horse's mouth. It is very great and good. I'm sure that all those who are listening to you, they must have been taken a very sincere note of whatever you have given as them advice. Thank you so much. So, Manan,
Ma'am,
now your chance. What is 1 or 2, 3 advice which you will be willing to give to all those who wish to have their own startup or venture?
If you feel like you have a nice idea, close your eyes, take a deep breath, start working. You know it, how to do it, you know it, everything about it, you know inside out, you have learned about it, just do it. There should be no one to stop you. Don't listen to anyone. Advice don't work. It's your work, you have to do it. Hello, can you listen? Hello?
yeah, Manan,
Yeah, can.
can hear you.
That's
Yes,
it.
Manan,
Akshay,
that's good. That's good.
Because तेरा
हाँ,
सोच के काम नहीं होता, करना पड़ता है.
Very, 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 a statement which speaks everything that you have to do it. सोचने से काम नहीं चलता है. That's absolutely right. Thank you so much. Just one announcement. We have shared the feedback and attendance form in the chat box. You need to fill that and mark your attendance. Students, all the attendees here. Where is Disha and Surbit? Are they in
yes,
the?
ma'am, I'm here
Yes,
in the
Disha,
meeting only.
please continue. I have asked the last question. Now, I invite you to put your sincere thanks and just acknowledge everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am, can I ask my question? I have my last question for them.
Sure, sure, sure.
Uh,
Why not?
yeah, my question is like, जब आप लोगों ने ये start किया होगा, you were guys and teenagers, right? So my question is, being a teenager, it is hard to get funding to start your startup company, and how did you manage it? Funds के साथ कैसे manage किया? Who helped you?
Disha.
Oh, I can't hear you guys. Your voice is so low, Manan. Yeah, Akshit, who is
हाँ
speaking?
It was the father who had. I have nothing else to say.
Manan, your father helped you.
I have
Yeah,
nothing.
I think even I have no business background and nobody to fund me, of course. So my parents only helped me, but I think first I saw how the response is going, and only then I started investing properly into my business. So
Okay.
first I started because I don't think, for example, for my in my profession, it's if I have a home bakery, I should have a good oven, a good mixer, and all of these things. So I did not start investing कि मैं पहले ही बड़ा सा एक oven ले लेती हूँ and एक stand mixer ले लेती हूँ, which obviously costs a lot. So I
Yeah,
still
exactly.
don't have a big oven because I've not invested in it right now. So I think I started gradually, and जो funds थे वो तो my parents only gave me.
बिजनेस स्टार्ट
And
करने के
what?
लिए हेलो आई एम ऑडिबल
Yeah, Akshat, yes. Your voice is so low. I can't hear you properly. Please
नाउ
check
आई एम
your
ऑडिबल
connection.
अब क्लियर है वॉइस हेलो
One
Yeah.
thing.
हेलो हाँ
Sorry, Akshat, I'm interrupting.
कोई इशू
हमेशा बिजनेस
Yes,
स्टार्ट
ma'am.
करने के लिए फंडिंग की जरूरत नहीं होती.
नहीं राइट है
अच्छा, तो फिर कैसे बिना फंड्स के कैसे
Sometimes
स्टार्ट
your
कर
ideas
सकते हो?
are able to invest you or to help you out. I would say. हमेशा
Okay.
आपको फंडिंग की जरूरत पड़े.
Yes, you are right, Akshat. Yes, Akshat.
बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए बेसिकली 4 पिलर्स होते हैं जो मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट जिस कॉन्सेप्ट से मैं वर्क करता हूँ. पहला तो जो बताया था इनोवेशन या आइडिया जिसे कहते हैं. सेकेंडली जो
Hmm.
आता है हमारा पहला इनोवेशन आइडिया होगा. दूसरा एग्जीक्यूशन जो नेसेसिटी होती है कि एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करोगे तो बिजनेस ही रन नहीं होगा आपका या एंटरप्रेन्योर ही नहीं होगा. थर्डली जो होता है ये होता है कि आप अपने एक गोल सेट करो. एक पर्टिकुलर मतलब स्मॉल स्मॉल ब्लॉक्स में अपने गोल्स को टारगेट करो एंड देन अचीव करो उसको. और फाइनली होता है एसेट्स जो आप कहते हैं कि कैसे मतलब फाइनेंशियली
हाँ.
मतलब फैमिली से हेल्प लेना है फिर कैसे अरेंज करना. तो मैंने अपने केस में जो अरेंज करा था एक तो फैमिली की हेल्प ली थी थोड़ी बहुत. और बाकी ये होता है कि जब आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो आपको रिटर्न भी मिलता है तो धीरे धीरे री इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट करो आप. री
Okay.
इन्वेस्टमेंट से काफी होता है.
Thank you so much. Okay, any advice which you would like to share here on this platform to all those who are willing to bring changes in their family business या anything? अगर उनको कुछ startup करना है, like they want to be entrepreneur like you guys. So any tips, anything you want to share with them, to our viewers, to us?
मेरी
I
तो
think
एक
it's all about starting, as Manan said. कि if you have an idea, just do it and go for it. Don't think left right. मतलब, of course have a plan of it, but don't think कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे या my ex is saying something, Y is saying something. Don't, just go for it and just start. Agar even if you are going to fail, you're going to learn something out of it. That's the only one thing that you should always remember, that even if you are failing and not getting successful, it does not mean that you're getting out of the rail. You're actually learning something out of that as well. So that's only one advice that everyone should follow.
Yeah, that's great. Surbit,
Disha,
yes,
one
yes,
last question. Uh,
yes.
and it should be just 2 or 3 words only. Okay, Akshat, down the 5 years lane, where are you?
मैम कैन यू
Where
रिपीट द
you see
क्वेश्चन.
yourself? आज से 5 साल के बाद आप कहाँ अपने आप को देखते हैं?
मैम आई एम थिंकिंग फॉर स्टार्टिंग माय ओन ब्रांड. वैसे तो अभी बिल्ड हो चुका है मेरा ब्रांड बट उसको मोनेटाइज वगैरह सब चीज़ करवानी है. और 5 साल में मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अपने 100+ ब्रांच हो. मतलब 100 ब्रांच मेरी जो फूड ब्रांच हो वो अपनी हो, किसी और की प्रमोट ना कर रहा हूँ.
Great. Great. With the attitude and with your zeal and with your proper understanding, definitely you will achieve this. Manan, where are you after 5 years?
Ma'am, to be honest, I haven't ever thought of it. 5 साल बाद क्या? मेरे को इतना पता है मेरे को कल क्या करना है परसों क्या करना है. There's no goal
Oh,
for it. There's no point for it. Maybe I will be a Ambani. See, business is unpredictable. You cannot think कि आप कल क्या करोगे परसों क्या करोगे. आपका बिजनेस नॉर्मल चल रहा था आपके ऊपर जीएसटी आ गया. You have new regulations. You have new areas. You have new everything new for you.
what?
तो
But
आप
then my question is, what you expect? आपको क्या
my
लगता है?
my expectations are to be the best. That's it.
That's great. That's great. Okay, Malika.
Ma'am, I wish to see myself having a bakery, at least known in Delhi, uh, at least for the next 5 years. So I right now I have a home bakery, so I wish to have a whole bakery which is under me.
Very good. Very good. Great. Now, just one word for yourself. Sorry, Akshat. Who are you?
I would say I am a leader or not a boss. Basically, I am a leader. और
Great.
one more advice to everyone कि जो आप सोचते हो ना कर दो उसको. कभी ये मत सोचो कि उसमें पॉजिटिव रिटर्न आएगा नेगेटिव. बस उसको स्टार्ट कर दो. मतलब आज या और अभी से स्टार्ट कर दो. जो मेरी एडवाइस है.
Great. Great. One word for yourself. Who are you? Who is Manan?
Manan, I would say I have not the exact word for it, but I don't know. I still don't know. I'm little bit about it. I don't know.
So Manan really needs to work. Okay, fine. Monica, who are you? Who is Monica?
Ma'am, Molika is a learner. At every step, it's just about learning.
Oh, great,
I like the answer.
great. So Manan, I guess that you are someone who is more no smart, who is more into the business, and you are already doing because you are you have manipulated, you have redirected many of the questions. So I do understand that you are some who is more into the business rather than understanding that why you are doing it. See, it happens when you are deeply engrossed in something, then you forgot that why you are here. So that is
Ma'am,
happening with Milan. And
ac-
perhaps sometimes you are able to understand, yes, why I was here and what I am.
Actually, ma'am, I wanted to say कि business में books की knowledge से आ रहा होता ना, तो अभी तक तो बहुत सारे बन चुके होते बिजनेस में,
Yes,
नौकरियां नहीं कर रहे होते.
फील्ड
आई वुड
वर्क
से
काफी
बिजनेस
जरूरी है.
कभी बुक से नहीं आ सकता. आपको बुक
right.
से सिर्फ नॉलेज ले सकते हो, आप गेन कर सकते हो, बट प्रैक्टिकलिटी इन बिजनेस इज मस्ट. यू नो हाउ टू यूज दैट नॉलेज. आपको नॉलेज आप बिजनेस कर करके भी ले सकते हो, और वो बुक से लेकर फिर भी आपको करनी तो वो पड़ेगी ही. वो चीज
Right.
आपको अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी.
Exactly. Exactly. So I will just pass on a very concluding remark here. What I have understood with discussion with all these three members here, for all the students who are willing to have their mentor. You see, when you think of any business or any startup, you really have to understand that what is that one problem wherein you are supposed to work on, and that particular problem, I mean the solution for that particular problem has to be in app with all the capability which you are possessing. Once these two things match, then you have to really plan for it. Then you have really, and as Manan said, that it's not always the money which is required. Once a good planning is there and you can really pitch into good angel investor, you can take every help from these investors and you can build your own business. But of course, the planning, the execution, the zeal, and the belief, as Monica and Akshat have said, that yes, I can do it, and you have to do it. This is one thing which is very important. So this is from my side the concluding remark, and now I request Disha to come here and please continue with the session. We are almost about the end of this today's session.
Yes,
Disha,
ma'am. I would also like to conclude this session. And I would just want to say, like, when we talk about society and entrepreneurship, we constantly make different choices. And We need to respect these choices. Also, an entrepreneur, we need to prioritize what we want to do rather than what society tells you to do. So, I'd like to end this discussion and in a short note. So, I would like to thanks all the panelists and our viewers, teachers, director sir, everyone. Thank you so much for being the part of this discussion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Disha.
And I hope we will meet soon on some other platform. I guess Malika, Akshat, Manan. मनन में पीछा नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं फिर पूछूंगी सारे क्वेश्चंस आपसे
I'm most okay.
चलो ठीक है it was
Best
very
of
nice
luck, everyone. Best of
Thank
luck for
you,
your future.
Disha. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
very
you.
very nice to interact you here and Malika you look so pretty as usual
Thank you, ma'am.
Akshat I know that you won a competition I wish that you win so many I mean in future you win all competitions where you are participating and
Okay.
Manan you are very serious businessman. I can understand that you are running your car at the same time you are giving a discussion advice to your juniors. That's very good gesture from your side. Thank you everyone. Thank you Disha. Thank you Surbit for coordinating the today's discussion. And stay happy, be blessed, love your mom and dad. Thank you so much. Now we
Thank you.
can depart here.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.